Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. In this channel I show you how you can do a faceless affiliate marketing. You can see that we have a guide on the bottom of the channel and I recommend you to start from part 1 to etc. in order that you will understand the sequence and of course to subscribe. Today in this part I will show you how you can use CapCut in order to edit our videos, and we will use the desktop version. The first thing that you will need to do is download the software and install it. In CapCut we have a lot of options. We will start by import the video and then drag it to the timeline. You can see that we can play and we have option to scale. We can click on a cutout if we have a green screen and pick a color, and we can click on the mask. For example, we do a mask of a circle. Very easy. Another one. On the top we can change the speed. For example, if we want, this is the regular speed, and we can change the speed to be faster. Another option for speed, we can use the curve to change the speed according to the timeline. More options that we have the animation. We can choose animation to the video. Very easy. We can choose the in animation, the out animation. And we can choose combo to change both. And of course we can do adjustment. More options that we can choose the audio. And of course we can add text. We can add regular text. We just need to drag it to the timeline. And then we can adjust it. We can change the style, the font size. We can rotate it, position it. And more advanced options we have, for example, spacing, position, blend, etc. We can choose a bubble, something like this one. And we can add effects. We can add effects also from the left side. And we have the options to text template. Very cool. Another cool options about the text is the auto captions. We just need to drag the video and click on create. And CapCut will recognize the speech and add automatic captions. We have, of course, the option to change the style of the caption. Something like that. And when we run the video, we can see the automatic caption. We can also import the caption files. We can click on stickers and add sticker to the video. We just need to drag it. Then position it. And we can add more effects to the video. We just need to drag the effect to the timeline and we change the video. We also have the option to transitions and to add filters. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. You see, CapCut is very good software. It's very easy to use it. and of course it's very easy to use on the desktop software and not just from the mobile app. That's all. Thanks.